Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Azizad Abdullah. I'm from class Meteorology 2A, NPT 11240006. I will now present the weather forecast for Indonesia, valid for Sunday, April 13, 2025. I'm Azizad Abdullah. Let's take a look at the full information. BMKG friends, Tropical Cyclone Syed 96S is predicted to strengthen, indicated by the intensifying circulation pattern and maximum wind speed reaching up to 40 knots. Moving southwestward toward the Eastern Sea, south of the eastern island of the East Nusa Tenggara and the northern waters of Australia. This system is capable of forming areas of wind speed decelerating or convergence stretching from the Flores Sea to the eastern coast of East Nusa Tenggara, the Banda Sea, and also in the Eastern Sea region. Then cyclonic circulation was observed in the Indian Ocean west of West Sumatra and in the southern waters of Banten, forming areas of wind deceleration or convergence extending from East Java to the southern coast of West Java. Another convergence zone was observed stretching from West Kalimantan to East Kalimantan, from South Kalimantan to the eastern waters of Southeast Sulawesi, and also in the region from Papua New Guinea to southwest Papua. Wind confluence zones were observed in the Andaman Sea, in the Indian Ocean west of West Sumatra, in the Natuna Sea, and also in the Eastern Sea. This condition can increase the potential for the growth of rain clouds and sea wave heights around the tropical cyclone Syed area or low pressure zone or cyclonic circulation and along the convergence or confluence zones. BMKG friends, the combination of these atmospheric dynamics causes the potential from moderate to heavy rain and extreme weather that you need to be aware of, covering most areas of Sumatra, Java, Bali, Nusa Tenggara, most of Kalimantan, Sulawesi, Maluku, North Maluku, and most areas of Papua. BMKG friends, an increase in wind speed of more than 25 knots was observed in the Indian Ocean southwest of Lampung, in the northern waters of northern Australia, and then eastern waters of northern Australia, which can increase wave height in those waters. Also, be aware of the potential for coastal flooding in coastal areas of North Sumatra, the Riau Island, West Sumatra, Bangka Belitung, Banten, Central Java, South Kalimantan, East Nusa Tenggara, North Sulawesi, and also in coastal areas of Maluku. Next, we present the significant weather forecast for several major cities in Indonesia, such as Medan, which has the potential for light rain, Jakarta has the potential for light rain, Bandung has the potential from thunderstorm, Surabaya is expected to see light rain, for Makassar, light rain is also expected, and Jayapura has the potential for light rain. For other major cities let's take a closer look at the details. We begin with Sumatra Island. For Banda Aceh, hazy skies are expected, while for Padang, smoke or haze is forecasted. Medan, Pekanbaru, and Tanjung Pinang are expected to have light rain. Still off Sumatra Island, Jambi and Palembang are expected to experience light rain. Be continuous of potential rain accompanied by thunderstorm in Bengkulu, Pangkal Pinang, and Bandar Lampung. Moving on to Java Island, light rain is expected in Jakarta, Serang, Semarang, and Surabaya. Yogyakarta is expected to have moderate rain. Be aware of potential thunderstorm in Bandung. Next, we move to Bali and Nusa Tenggara Island. Light rain is expected in Denpasar and Mataram. Be cautious of potential thunderstorm in Kupang. Moving on to Kalimantan Island, moderate rain is expected in Pontianak. Be aware of potential thunderstorm in Pangkalraya, Pangkalkaraya, Banjarmasin, Samarinda, and Tanjung Selor. We continue to Sulawesi Island. Light rain is expected in Makassar and Palu. Be cautious of potential thunderstorm in Mamuju, Gorontalo, Manado, and Kendari. And finally, we head to Eastern Indonesia. Light rain is expected in Ambon, Ternate, Sorong, Manokwari, Nabire, Jayapura, and Jayawijaya. Be cautious of potential thunderstorm in Merauke. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.